Hi everyone, my name is Kseny, this is my dog Altai, and today we're gonna guide you through a 10-minute feel-good flow to help you get moving, lift up your mood, and hopefully you'll feel good by the end of the session. And as always, remember, if you have time and you want to try longer routines, consider joining my membership site. I'll leave more information for you in the description below. Let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, bring your tailbone slightly in to relax your lower back, relax your neck and shoulders. To help us settle the mind, let's take a couple of deep, comforting breaths in and out the nose. Simply becoming aware of our breath, staying present. One more time. Continue breathing in and out the nose. Lift your shoulders up. Exhale, relax them down. Keep your knees slightly bent. Inhale to lift. Exhale to relax fully. Move slowly with full awareness. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing, keep focusing on the movement. Exhale. Very good. From here, open your hands. Inhale, rotate your shoulders. Exhale down. Alternating the hands. Inhale. Nice, easy, long exhale. Inhale. Inhale to open and broaden your chest. Exhale to soften. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Continue rotating the other direction. This time we open. Inhale. Close. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Begin to create space in your upper back, upper chest. Take your time to really move with your breath. Stay true to your breath. Stay true to yourself. I believe one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Let your neck and shoulders relax. Slowly becoming aware of your chest, upper back, the shoulder blades area. Very good. Then we're going to turn the torso and roll the shoulders this way, keeping your lower body engaged. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more to go. A pleasant twist across the abdomen and the lower back. Getting that blood moving. Very good. Exhale. Swing your arms. Inhale. Rotate in the opposite direction. Our breath is our quickest and probably the easiest way to more energy, to more vitality. It brings tremendous amount of benefits done regularly or daily. So keep breathing as you slowly move in. And one more to go. Breathe in. Exhale. Come back to center and relax fully. From here, keep your feet parallel. Begin to rotate your hips. Stay focused on your breath. If you need to slow down your breath, use your intention to do so. Keep it consistent, keep it steady, keep it relaxed. Very good. Let's roll to the other direction. It feels good already. I feel a space, feel a circulation awaken. Very good. Come back to center. Assume the position, always returning to that comfortable stance. Get yourself on one leg. I like to pivot my leg a little bit. Gives me a better range, and begin to open through your hip. We're going to do 6 times, so 4 more to go. I believe last one. Roll it out, and then place directly in front of you. Shift your weight. Get yourself nice and rooted, and open through the other leg, through your other hip. Kind of like a nice transition. So try to get yourself nice and balanced. It helps to look somewhere slightly ahead of you, somewhere on the ground, on your floor. Very good. Last one. And then again, bring it down. Shift the weight. And this time, close, going inward. I hope I'm still in the shot. Slightly approaching the camera. Keep yourself nice and focused. It's all about the balance, the mind-body connection. Last one. Very good. You bring it down, and again, slowly step out. You can go forward. You have that space. And we're going to close. Three more to go. Take your time. If you notice yourself speeding up, slow it down. Stay true to your breath. Keep breathing well. Very good. And then bring your feet parallel. Open up through the hips. Relax your entire body. Assuming the position. Drawing your tailbone in. Relax here. Our shoulders and our hips are important energy junction in our body. So this is where the legs join the torso. This is where our arms connect to the torso. So the movement of the shoulders, the movement of the hips on a daily basis is crucial to a proper energy and blood flow. So this is routine, hopefully help to open up the meridians, get that blood moving, lift up your mood, because any movement and breath combined together always make you feel better. And let's close by taking a couple of deep breaths in and exhale. Begin to center yourself, setting the intention to be present. Feeling and hearing your own breath, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Twice more, breathe in. Inhale. Slowly guiding your hands down the center. Bring them to the lower abdomen and close in. Just below your navel. This is considered a major energy center in our body. So to cultivate good chi, to make sure you have enough energy for the day ahead, we usually close by bringing our awareness back to the center, back to the core, and concentrating on that center. Relax your hands by the side, bring your feet together, and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining us. I enjoyed it. I think Altai enjoyed it too. I hope you feel better, ready to continue with your day. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I've already mentioned that you can always join me for longer routines, for weekly live classes in the group, tremendous energy, collective energy that brings so much benefit. You can always find it on ksenygray.com or more information in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay well, and I'll see you soon.